Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So I'm here with a great news that TCS have started hiring. Okay, that is their NQT for this particular year have came out. This is free. There is no application fee, nothing. If you come under this eligibility criteria, then you can apply it for free. Okay, so let me take you through the details. So they are hiring for the engineering graduates for 2024 and registration started and it will be open till April 10th and exam starts from 26 onwards. So you can in a week span you can get some dates. Okay. So let me tell you this is very short time, so it's very important that you should learn the syllabus thoroughly to crack this, right? Because this is free, you don't have any application fee, you can just apply to it and you can make maximum use of it. And you know that there are different sections of thesis like this prime, there is ninja, there is digital, right? You can see here prime digital ninja interview. So this is based upon your performance in test. So if you want to give the most performance, if you want to be really get selected on this, then within the short time you really need to learn the complete syllabus, you really need to be updated about the questions that is coming for this year and everything, right? So in that case we can definitely help you. So we have a crash course starting. Okay, so this is exclusive for TCS. So this is crash course on TCS and QT 2024. This consists of aptitude, reasoning, verbal, programming, everything that comes for TCS and QT, right? And this is curated in such a way that everything, okay, everything is included. If you have, I mean, our students who have went through this and who have got placed in their companies have successfully said that going through the complete course, getting practice to all the questions in the course have helped us, because there are many repeated courses, repeated, sorry, questions from the courses asked in the examination. So that is the highlight here. We have curated the course in such a way that the questions are in the trend format, right? Analysis for how the questions are coming, how the trend is going is well done, and the questions is prepared in such a format. Okay, so you have free videos, free contents, like recorded sessions will be there and live classes about to start and tomorrow, so you can be a part of that. So Q&A sessions, you can just get cleared all those sessions, everything. Then test is there, PDFs will be provided for 6 months. You have all the details in the website. Okay, that is, you can just download 6 month validity, 650 plus learning materials are there, and 10 tests are there. Okay, so this is very huge. And I know that it is very short time that you have for thesis and QT, barely a month. So in this time, if you are going for some random, then you might miss the most of the topics. So if you can just get this course, and then you can just follow this course on a definite pattern, then within the short time you can make use of the maximum time, right, and maximum content. Okay, so if you want to apply for the same, you can go with the link that I've provided in the description. Any doubt, you can reach out to the online study for you team. Okay, so that's how it goes. And if you want to see who all have gone through this, you can just go to the short section in YouTube. See, many people have shared their experience, like they have benefited out of the course, they got the placement in the favorite company and all that. Okay, and in the community section also you will find the same. See, community section, who all people have selected, all those things. Okay, so many students have benefited out of them. This is the very reason in the sense, very reason people who have gone through, many have shared their experience. Will be our team will be collecting all the details and putting that again there. Oh, many of them are pending as well. So this crash course have many benefits, so I hope you this will be very super beneficial. If you can follow, then definitely we can guarantee you to get into it. Okay, that is if you follow this course very strictly, everything. Okay, so let's come to the details of this NQT. So this is exclusively for graduating in the batch of 2024, BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA, MSC in any specialization offered by AICT or UGC recognized universities or colleges. Okay, so this is engineering related graduation type. So you will be appearing for the test. Based on the test performance, you will be categorized into the prime, digital, or ninja qualified team. Okay, so that's how it goes. Now To the application process, you can just log into the website, the link provided here. The link will be there in the description as well. Then you can click on the register and apply, and if you have already registered, you can use the registration ID. You don't need to create a new profile. Or if you're a very new candidate, you can start for the registration process. Okay, you have to give in all the details. We'll go through, we'll have a look into it. Okay, so that's it. So important note, that is, if that is in an intended test, and center allotment will be first come and first serve basis. You must have all your original academic documents till date to be produced at the time of interview. Communication related to the test will be informed you by our test partner, TCS Ion. Then TCS does not send a job or offers or any hiring related communication from unofficial mails. Then no money is what they're telling, like they won't tell you to deposit any kind of money, not associated with any external agency or company to conduct any interviews or make offers of employment on its behalf. And note that we have a strict eligibility criteria. So that is a thing. So eligibility criteria is very strict. So if you are some other coming out of the eligibility criteria applying to this, at the end there is a higher chance that you will be getting rejected. Okay, so stick on to the eligibility criteria. Now this is the help desk team. You can see here test eligibility. So minimum 60 percentage, 6 CGPA throughout the academics. This is what they want. And highest qualification is 2024. As we mentioned before, BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA, MSC, ME specialization offered by AICT and UGC recognized universities. Okay. Backlogs and arrears. The candidate should not have any pending or backlogs or arrears at the time of appearing for the TCS selection process. If selected, no pending backlogs will be permitted the time of joining TCS. All pending backlogs should be cleared within the course duration stipulated by the university. So by the time you pass out, right, in 2024, you should not be having any backlogs. Okay, so that's what their expectation is. So extended education, no extended education allowed. It gap, there should not be any gap. So if you any overall academic gap should not exceed 24 months until highest qualification. Okay, relevant document, everything should be submitted if any. Then course types, only full time courses are, that is no part time graduation type, only full time graduation type. Now, open school candidates, secondary senior course from NIOS are also eligible to apply if the graduation post graduation course are done full time. Okay, so school, if in case you opted for the part time, this graduation should be full time is what they want. Work experience, candidates with prior work experience up to 2 years are eligible to apply for this hiring process. And this is only for the postgraduate students. Okay, now that is after graduation you might be going for some work and then doing the post graduation, right? That's for them. Now age, candidate should be between 18 to 28 years, okay, to participate in this process. So it's very important that you follow this particular steps. Now hiring categories, you can see all the details. Okay, then TCS and QT preparation via Launchpad, FAQs, everything is provided, so you can do here. Hiring categories is 3.36 lakhs per annum CTC for UG candidates and 3.53 lakhs per annum for PG candidates. Okay, then digital will be 7.0 lakhs per annum CTC for UG candidates, 7.3 lakhs per annum for CTC for PG candidates. Prime will be 9.0 lakhs per annum for CTC for UGC students, then 11.5 LPS CTC for PG students. Okay, so that's how it goes. Now coming to the test features and patterns, you can see these are the criterias. So foundation sections, numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, and advanced section consists of advanced quantitative and reasoning ability. All these are for 25 minutes duration, and advanced coding for 90 minutes. So total will be 190 minutes. Okay, so this is the picture where you need a guidance, right? Within the short time you need to learn and things. So once again, I'm reminding a course that we have now for TCS NQT. So this consists of everything that is provided in the test pattern, right? Pattern criteria. And you have this much material, 750 plus materials are there. 10 tests will be there provided. So by the time when you strictly follow this course and by the time you move toward the ending of the course, you'll be very well equipped to attend the TCS NQT, and you can definitely crack the digital ninja and everything, right? So I hope you will be having a look into it. You will be benefited of those course for sure, because our students have shared their experience that they could follow this course and that made them crack their favorite company. Okay, so coming to the details again, thesis NQT preparation and all those FAQs are there. So if you have any questions regarding this, you can just click on to the section and find the questions. Okay, questions that you have in here. Just in case if not, you can write to the support team. Okay, so this is the link for the application, so you can just click on to this register now section, and you can register with it. So this is two, so you have to go for IT. Okay, and next you have to go, please note that the TCS next step initiative is available in the Indian geography only. You have to provide your email ID and get the OTP, and from there comes the selection process. So one by one you have to do the selection process. So if you have any doubts, let us know. So hope you have well knowledge about our course for the thesis NQT. I want you, I'm urging you this much because the class is about to start tomorrow. So I don't want you to miss any point of that. Okay. So be very vigilant about it. Prepare well. With preparation, there is no way that you can go wrong. So everyone, all the best. Let me know if you have any requirements or any needs. Put that in the comment section or reach out to us. We'll bring that into the table. Okay. So until I come up with again another video. Everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.